Hey, what's going on, boys? It's been a while since I posted any videos, but because the whole COVID thing, China virus, China virus, I really had nothing else to do right now. I'm finishing up my engineering degree, so I thought it would be nice to come back to YouTube and start making videos again about programming and things like that, because that's what I like to do. But for our first video back, I decided to get some of that beautiful orange carbon fiber skin from Dbrand and slap it on to my MacBook Pro, right? So let's see how that goes, because I'm a little bit challenged at sticking things onto other things. So this might not go as planned, but we'll see how it goes, right? All right, boys, let's do it.
All right. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is wipe it off. Let's see if it's gonna be hard or is it not gonna be hard. There we go. We're cleaning it off. It's looking good. It's looking clean. I don't know. It looks a little dusty from my fingers. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. That's close enough. That's good enough. Okay, let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna apply. All right. I guess it's this way. Okay. Guess we're gonna do it this way. Guys, if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna be real sad because I'm gonna be out of some money. And it's not working. It's sticky. All right. Let's see. Just do this. Oh, I fucked it up. Okay. Nice. Okay. Apparently I can't align things. I am challenged. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Just put an inch away. Away. Is that the way? Is that the way? Whoa. This is dicey. Whoa. It's not supposed to be flush towards the thing, so we're not gonna flush it. This doesn't work. Is this no? Is it working? Okay. 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 Oh my god! What the? Okay, it's stuck. Okay, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's stuck. Fudge! Oh no! I guess I'm gonna have to just go with it. Alright, I'm stuck. Oh man, I hope this is right. Boys, I'm gonna be in trouble if this is not right. Rip $60. Okay. The foot! Okay, there we go. Got the bubble out. Nice. Good job. Good job, young. Look at me. This is the freaking artist at work here, guys. I am the best. Let me tell you, I am the best. Wow. So that looks spicy. Whoa, what did I do? Okay. Oh no, there's bubbles. Oh no. Actually, it's not bad. Okay, cool. Because it's a weird orange carbon fiber, you can't really see the bubbles. Nice. Okay, so I clearly fucked up this part, but it looks good. So I wanted to see if the Apple icon matched onto the skin, but then what happened was it just kind of stuck on there and I didn't want to lift it out, but like you can see, it looks pretty well. Looks really well, actually. There we go. Boom! Okay. Actually, you know what? That took me, like literally a minute? Holy crap, couple minutes. Okay, so it's flush down here, but it's got a little edge here, but it's all right. Looks good. Here we go. I thought it was gonna be harder than this. Holy shit. Okay. I mean, like the lady on the tutorial video seemed to take forever, so I'm like, bro, boom, easy. Is the edges pretty good? Yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. Okay, cool. All right, we got the edges done. Nice. All right, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bottom part. Go hard. This is how you get your right arm real strong. Just keep going. Okay, all right. I think that's clean enough. Good. All right. So here's the bottom piece. So we're supposed to do the hinge first. So let's do that. Don't stretch the hinge, he says. Okay. Is that on there? Okay, cool. Alright. Oh man. I'm not gonna lie, the cover was really easy. This is much harder to get at all. Don't stretch it. It's weird because like you kind of want to stretch it because it's like so you can hold it steady, but like I guess you just go down and hopefully it looks good. Boom! Nobody's gonna ever look at this except Papa. Okay, all right, so yeah, it matters. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and so take this off. Whoa, guys, this is easy like Sunday morning. All right, and before I forget, I need a blow dryer, so I'll be right back. Yeah. All right, line up the hole. Oh no! Is this the hole? Is this the hole? Yes, this is the hole. This is in the hole. Yes. Ooh, hello. No. What? Is this the hole? Okay, I give up. Okay. Okay. New plan. We're gonna do less of it. Less of it. Yeah. Cool. So it's less sticky. Okay. Let's just do the corners first, I guess. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Fuck. Okay. We got this, boys. Okay. All right. That looks acceptable. Keep going. What the? Okay. Huh? What the fuck? Okay, boys, we starting over. Oh my god, what the? Oh no. This is hard. What? Huh? What the? Cool. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, that only took what, like 20 minutes? Big boy, big boy. Oh, it feels pretty good. Actually, it makes it less slippery. Oh, nice. Okay. I think I did a pretty good job on here. Okay. I'll clean it. Woohoo! It makes that sound. Call me DJ Youngster. Okay, cool. All right, we did it, boys. Woo! That is beautiful. All right, so now here comes the more most annoying part I think is gonna be applying the inside. So we're gonna set that. It is time to do more finicky shit. All right. Oh man. Okay. Okay. All right. We can do this. Okay. So they said to keep it flush on the edges. Okay. Oh fuck. Can I just, oh no. Now what? This is ridiculous. Why did I do this to myself? Okay. Go. Alright, just be gentle with it. Just be super gentle. Oh man, that was another level of genius on my part. Oh man. Whew. Oh man. Yo, what's good? Okay, alright. Okay, cool. Alright. Pretty good. Alright. It's a little bit too more to the side than I would like, but it's not bad. It's sitting pretty flush. I don't think I can get in. Oh no. Maybe we can. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Why am I doing this? And then the last thing we need to do is, you know what, guys? This thing just comes with this, so like, I don't understand. So I guess you guys didn't have to buy the pad? Oh man. Oh, wait a second somehow. Move it this way? No? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I fucked it up. Oh no. Okay. Alright, this might not be the smartest thing I've done all day today, but we're doing it. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Alright, we're gonna see how well it works. Okay, it doesn't work. What? Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Okay. You know, I'm not sure if I enjoyed this, but let me clear this up and let's talk about it. All right, guys, so this is the final product. We got it done. Just make sure when you do this, make sure this is flush, not like what I did, so I had to cut it off a little bit, but you know, whatever. It's cool. It looks good. And here's the trackpad. I don't know if I like the trackpad. I mean, it works fine, but it just feels really weird. I mean, I guess it's something I'm gonna have to get used to. As you can see, it's not completely flush here, but I might just buy a new one of these black and then redo mine. And then if I close it, okay. Whoa, spicy. Okay. Ooh, look at that shine. Yeah, I can't afford one of those spinny thingies for products, so this is the best we can do. Okay. All right. And here's the back side. It's looking real flush, so everything looking pretty good. There we go. Total process, I think the outside and the bottom was definitely worth it to do, but I'm not really sure if the inside needs it. I guess I'll use a couple more weeks and then we'll see if it's something that it is necessary, and I'll let you guys know. All right, cool. Okay, cool. Everything's working. Woo! Sweet. Okay, all right. Bye, guys.